Hello people of YouTube. Today we're going to be making Princess Label Maker. Pretty easy and difficult. So what you want to do is fold this, see this flap here? Fold it over. Then you're done with that. You fold that out. And do the same on the other side. Then you want to got that done. Cool. You just want to fold it's taking so long. Then you should get something like that. Then you just want to fold this. Yeah, then you want to fold these out. Get something that looks like that. And so you want to fold it down. Then you get something that looks like that. Then you want to take your hair, fold it in like that, then fold it out, and then keep on doing that. And I want to keep on doing that. I'll be right back. And don't worry about that noise. And then you do that on the other side. And once you're done, you should get something like that. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. And I haven't read this book yet because I'm reading Friday the Attack of Jabba the Puppet. And so I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you next time. And make sure to show me some love. Hit that like button. If you didn't like this episode, then hit that dislike button. I'll see you next time. Get out of the way.